Easing hack. Use two fingers. Massage your nose. Pull and rub a nose. Wait a few seconds.
Guys, let's see if this is real. So I'm doing it. I got my finger. It feels I get sneezing, but I was silent. This is fake. This is fake. Alright, this is fake. This is fake. Try it and tell me if you should sneeze. Bye.